In this video, I will tell you how to earn $100 in a day. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm not going to tell you to go out and start flipping houses or investing in the stock market. This is a real, legitimate way to make extra money that anyone can do. Do you want to know how to earn $100 a day? It's actually not as difficult as you may think. With a little effort and some creativity, you can easily make money. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Virtual assistants work. Working as a virtual assistant is towards the top of the list if you're looking for methods to make money online without having any money to start with for a variety of reasons. You may earn money as a virtual assistant by performing a range of things that practically anybody can do. You could work on duties including updating blog postings, sending and replying to emails, and posting on social media. It's simple to become a virtual assistant. You might begin by asking any blogging friends you may have to accomplish chores for them, as the skill set required to get started is not particularly broad. Make $100 each day by doing online surveys. Utilizing survey websites and other side hustle applications is one of the easiest methods to earn money quickly online. These websites often provide new users a sign-up bonus in addition to the opportunity to earn money by completing surveys, viewing movies, and other tasks. Earn $100 every day by delivering food. A convenient option to earn money in your spare time while being able to choose your own hours is by delivering meals. A step in the right path if you don't want the burden of a typical career is working as a food delivery driver. Food delivery is a full-time job for some people. Join DoorDash to start earning money. You may connect with consumers looking to have food delivered right to their doorstep with this free app. Pet sitting. Making $100 a day or more via pet sitting may be a lot of fun. Many pet owners may entrust someone else to look after their pets while they are gone on a holiday or for business. Taking advantage of this opportunity, you may earn money by taking care of pets. Rover is a good place to start, in my opinion. You may easily contact pet owners looking for someone to monitor their animals using our website. Rent out your car to make quick money. Do you own an automobile that isn't always in use? Use it to generate income as opposed to letting it sit. If you have the perfect car, renting out your car on websites like Turo or Getaround may earn $100 per day. Your pay will vary according to the kind of car you are renting and where you are. In certain places, you might easily make over $100 each day, but in others, you would need to hire a car for a few days to go where you want to go. Help others move. Giving folks a hand with odd activities like moving may be a great way to earn $100 or more per day. Even though moving is never enjoyable, if you have the skills, it may be a terrific side business. To find employment, you may list your skills on social media or utilize a site like TaskRabbit. Although your earnings potential varies, it is possible to earn more than $30 each hour. Make $100 by renting out a room in your house. Renting out a room in your house may be a very simple method to make quick money, much like renting out your car. You may earn money by listing your property on Airbnb if it is big enough and has an empty room. Even better, you may list your complete house on VRBO or Airbnb if it is vacant to earn even more money. It won't be simple to earn $100 every day, but it may be well worth the effort. Gaining additional income is a terrific step toward financial independence, whether your goal is to reduce debt or just increase savings. Use any of these money-making suggestions if you need more cash to increase your income and accomplish your objectives.